melody. I remember that day in December when everything would change. I saw you cross my path, whistling something that got